Hello traders, how are you doing? I've had few questions coming in and I felt there was a need to come and then clarify issues. There are people who are asking that why weekly signals now? Because those who have been with me for years now know that I always give signals sometimes 9 p.m. GMT, according to Ghana time. Signals as and when I spot new signals, and then as traders we trade together. And so why am I doing weekly signals now? And so I felt there's a need to clarify things and to make certain things clear to you. If you are a trader and you're on Leading Forex YouTube channel or Leading Forex Telegram page, we have one common goal, and the goal is to trade and make profit together. That is our ultimate goal as traders, to be able to trade and make profit together. But one way or the other, I have come to realize something in Forex. I should say I have a little experience. Those of you who know how long I've been trading know that I have a little experience. About 4 years now is a lot if I'm to talk about. And so one of the things I have realized as a result of my experience for the past 4 years is that Forex consume a lot of time. Forex take a lot of time. Why am I saying that? The market runs 24/7 when it opens. And so people will have to sit by their machines or look on their phones to be able to spot news entries and then be able to place entries. Once entries are placed, you now have to keep monitoring each trade. You have to be monitoring to be sure your trade is in profit, and maybe when your trade is going against you, then you close or whatsoever. You see, I have come to realize that this whole Forex thing takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time. And if you don't take care, Forex, which is supposed to be your part-time job, will end up becoming your full-time job, in a sense that it will consume your whole time. I am not saying that you cannot do Forex as a full-time job. You can do Forex as a full-time job when you understand that as a trader, you're supposed to trade with a little time and have enough time to enjoy or have fun and be able to do whatever you want to do. Okay? Anyone who is having the mindset of becoming rich or being rich is someone who will have enough time to do whatever he or she wants to do. Okay? But if you are a trader that will have to sit and be looking at a chart every day, every minute, every second, then it means that trading is becoming a very difficult thing to do. So in my own research and own analysis, I have come to realize that Forex shouldn't take too much of our time. We should have extra time to at least check on family, have extra time to do 1 or 2 travels. We should have extra time to be able to take up other responsibilities here and there. And to the point that if you're still working for a company, you should be able to have not enough time to go to your job and work. So after sitting down and analyzing all this, I have come to realize that already our jobs are taking a lot of time from us. Some of us do 2 or 3 jobs at a go in a day. Others do just a day job, but takes about 8 hours, 5 hours, 7 hours, and others. So if you are coming to add Forex, which is also going to take a whole lot of your time, then it's really going to be very difficult for you. So what if you chance upon a strategy, or you can adjust yourself in a sense that you will still be a trader, but your trading time will be limited. You can have enough time for yourself, but only have a little time to trade and still be able to make the profit. Wouldn't that be good? So on a second thought, I realized that that would be the best way to go, because the whole Monday, Tuesday up to Friday, Forex is in session. Your work is also waiting for you. So it will be good that if during the weekends, when you are free, when you normally go out to have fun, you can use maybe an hour to listen to a whole forecast, and then also listen to a whole review, and then all you will do is maybe within the 1 hour you write down the what do you call it, the pairs to trade, and then within the 1 hour you have everything you need set for the week. And then when the market opens, you place those trades and then you are good to go. I think that one will be better. It will be better off than having to sit by your PC or phone the whole day, every minute, staring at the phone, looking at how the charts are moving up and down. That is going to be very stressful. So in order to make forex trading stress-free, that is one of the reasons I decided to come up with this weekly forecast and signals. It is one of the reasons, and I should say, the ultimate reason to be able to make forex trading stress-free. It shouldn't be stressful. It shouldn't be the whole of your time. It shouldn't be other things. You should be able to have enough time to take care of family, do 1 or 2 errands for yourself, visit 1 or 2 places you want to visit, and be able to make time for yourself. I think that is the main focus. That is the main reason I came up with the idea of this weekly signals. Now, the fact that we are going to be doing weekly signals doesn't mean that the idea of the signals coming in the course of the week, as and when we spot them, will not be at play or will not be in session. Please, it is still going to be available. We are still going to have signals coming in the course of the week, as and when we spot them. If they are not part of the forecast that I give during weekends, then it means when we spot any new signal, I'll put it on the channel. I'll put it on the Telegram page for you to trade. So get that right. But I am gradually trying to change your perception and your idea, and to move you from a trader of sitting by the PC the whole day or staring at your phone the whole day, into something new where you only have to open your phone to check how your trades are doing, and then within some 1 or 2 minutes you are done. Then you go back to your work. I am trying to move you to become that kind of trader. And also remember, I said in my previous video that forex trading is an investment. And when we talk about investment, if you are an investor, you're supposed not to do much of the work. Do you get it? Everyone investing, I don't know if you have been into other investment fields. When you put your money somewhere, you don't do the whole work. It is the system or the company where you have put your money that does the whole work. So if you're an investor investing in forex, then forex shouldn't take the whole of your time. You should only have some few minutes to put on the right trades that you think are right to put. And then you have the rest of the time to enjoy and to have fun and do whatever you want to do. So the difference here is that forex trading as an investment, you control the affairs. But other investment fields, you just have to go and then deposit your funds or give out your funds to them to do their whole work. And then make sure they give you their percentage. Okay, that is the difference. But with forex, you control affairs. But the fact that you control affairs doesn't mean that the whole day you should be staring at the PC or the whole day you should be staring at the phone. It's going to be very stressful, please. So that is the basis. That is the focus. So if you agree with my ideology, or if you agree with what I'm thinking, and if you have been trying the signals, this is the 3rd week. We are in the 3rd week now. Today is 1st of June. This is the 3rd week we started giving this weekly signals. And we have never missed any opportunity. All the opportunities that came, we had them and we took them in massive profits. So if you have started doing something and it is going on well, I am not sure you want to leave it and go and try something else. What would be good like this? That in 3 weeks, we have made no less than 500 pips in every week. We have made not less than 500 pips in all the 3, in each week. In each week, we have made not less than 500 pips. So roughly in 3 weeks, if we have not made anything at all, we have made more than 1,500 pips. So what is good like this? What is good like this? That you think we should move away from this and then begin to try something new? Please, I think this is something we should continue. If it is good, you continue to the point of even making it better or best. So we have good, better, best. Now, if it is good, then we have the opportunity of making it better, and then we then move on to best. So I want you to agree and understand me from the angle I'm coming with this weekly forecast and then signals, so that you can have enough time to enjoy life and to do other stuffs and be able to work at your current job. I mean, you should be able to have that time to work and make extra income in addition to what you'll be making in Forex. So please, I want all of you to understand this concept that I am bringing on board. And those of you who have been with me for the 3 weeks now know that this strategy is going well. It is going well. So if it's going well, then we need to stick to it. We need to stick to it and even try our best to improve it. So if you have additional information as to what you think we can do to make this thing look better and best, you can share that with me. But in my own way, I also have plans I'm still looking at in terms of trying to make this weekly forecast and signals better. So I'm still looking at several ways to get this thing become the best we all want. This is my forecast and then signals. So please bear with me. It's when you are trying to do something new, it comes with a lot of challenges. And so please, those of you who have issue with the weekly signals, please try and adjust yourself. You will come to understand that this might be one of the best ways to go. Okay, you will come to understand that soon, because when you adjust yourself to new things, you then learn more about how it operates or how it works. So Leading Forex, we are there for you. We are here to make ourselves comfortable by making sure that every trader becomes successful. Okay, so if you have opportunity to refer us to friends, please do. The YouTube channel, that is mostly where we drop our signals and forecast. Very soon we will start with the tutorial videos. Now everything is set for the tutorial videos, so we'll be starting the tutorial videos very soon, and you will begin to see them, and I'm sure you will love them. So subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Leading Forex, and also at the description of this video you will see the link to the Telegram page. Please join the Telegram page. I know a lot of you are also complaining you have difficulty in joining the Facebook page. The reason is because there is a little change in the name. There's a little change in the name, so it's when you search Leading Forex on Facebook, it becomes difficult for you to actually see it. But I'll soon share the link in the Telegram page, so that those of you who want to like the page and join the page, because what I'm doing right now is the Facebook Live. So if you are on the Facebook, it means you can watch me straight away. But the YouTube is there to help you, so that even in case you miss the Facebook Live, you can have time and then watch the YouTube video at your own time of convenience. You get it? So I also prefer the YouTube more to even the Facebook, because at the point I'll be doing the Facebook Live, you might be busy at work or something might be happening. But if it's on YouTube, you can have the time to watch it at any time and be able to refer to it at any time. You understand? So that is what it is. So you have the opportunity to refer us to many people as you care, and those you also want them to enjoy the benefits or the profits you are making with us. It's free. Leading Forex, we've never charged anybody for anything, not even a peswa. Not a peswa from anybody. We've been doing all this for free since day one. Okay, so we will continue with this and continue until when God will permit us to continue. So that is what it is. My name is Kofi, your admin. I wouldn't take much of your time. I just wanted to clear and then to see what you will say. So if you have any suggestion, if you have any comments, please write it below this video. Just write it at the comment section of this video. We will read it and then we'll adjust accordingly. So those with the ideas and suggestions to make this look better, please just go there and write your comment or suggestion, and we'll get them out and we'll read it for everything to go on smoothly and nicely for all of us. Thank you very much. Those of you watching on Facebook, thank you for doing the watching. Those of you on YouTube, keep on subscribing. Let's grow this community to the bigger one that we can ever think of. Let's grow it. So keep on subscribing. If this is your first time, subscribe to this channel and you will love being with us. Thank you.